Alright, Rose, welcome back to this is episode 8. I don't even know if I'll post this purely because of the fact I don't even think I'm going to be trading today. It's July the 4th tomorrow, so the banks are only open until 1 p.m. Eastern time today, or is it Eastern time? I don't know which one it is. The market's only open for like 3.5 hours, so it's obviously not ideal. We've also already taken out all-time highs today. Now, if you see this, pretty much most of the story, we've had news release earlier at 10:30, and we've taken out that draw on liquidity. Do I really think that there's going to be enough volume in the market at this time when realistically we've already made a movement? We've only got 3.5 hours to deal with. It's lower probability. Like I'll give the market that. So all I'm really going to be looking for today is some sort of manipulation of these highs to come down and take one. Why has it pinged me there? One, we have two lows, we have three lows here, and we also have this low. Like, this is just low resistance liquidity. Realistically, that's all we've got to work with, and that's actually a really nice little plane of liquidity we're dealing with. Underneath this motion is we're overextended, so ideally, I think we've taken out these highs over here. I'd like to see us rotate off of these, and we haven't really had anything right now. It's only 10 minutes until the market opens now, but I do think there's potential. Like, if you're looking at this, we've taken out the most clear draw on liquidity. There is a very high chance we rotate down, so I'm open to trading today, but I'm pretty much in here with the idea that if we even close, like say we close somewhere up here, I'm just going to get straight off the charts. I'm pretty much just looking for a reason not to trade today. Like, that is pretty much, I'm looking for a reason to end the week here. So I don't even know if you guys will be seeing this, but if you are, thank you for tuning in. Let's get into the next little section. I just realized I didn't even have my O-ring lit up on that last clip, but I am pretty much either wanting to see a sweep of liquidity here, or I'm not trading and I'm just going to go to bed. So I'm going to wait 15 minutes, see how this 15-minute candlestick closes. If it closes like way up here, no trade day. But if we can somehow react off of these highs, it's actually going to be looking pretty nice. So that is my thought process right now, and really just trying to find a reason to get out of the charts, man. Like, I don't want to miss a bad day. Like, I was lying in bed before, I was like, oh, do I even want to just risk it? Like, risk coming into the charts in a subpar day. But all in all, man, like, if I looked back in the morning and saw an A+ setup, like, I would have been a bit gutted, that I hadn't come and sat in here. So I figured I'm best to just come sit in here if I don't take a trade. Like, obviously we know things aren't ideal, so I'm just looking for that validation of not trading today, so then I can call it a night happily and have no regrets in the morning. Got my license today. Peep this shit. Can you see that? Fire. So now I have like 3 forms of ID. Like, with I have New Zealand and Australia. So tough, bro. Actually looks like we're sort of top looking here. We did initially get a big extension up. Yeah, like, that's not really ideal at all, is it? So we'll just be patient. Yeah, fuck it, bro. I'm gonna go make a Milo. I'll come back. man, there's nothing to do. No chart, no trades to take. Even though we have good draws on liquidity to the downside, this is not going to rotate back. And if it does, I don't actually want to trade it because that's not my strategy, man. Like my strategy, I want to be basing everything off of that 15 minute, and I want to see something clear on the 15. There's nothing there. Like we're moving bullish, and I'd say that because this is one of those days, we've had bullish news. We're gonna just keep going bullish, and we'll likely just sort of finish the week with some sort of chop. Pretty standard in this sort of event and condition, but that is concluding my week. We finished the week up like $50, like pretty much a break-even week, but a little bit of profit, man. 1 win, 1 loss, and yeah, all in all, pretty happy with this week. Definitely would have been nicer to avoid that Monday loss. It was no news Monday, and I could have just gotten out of the charts earlier, save myself that loss. But if you guys haven't checked out those videos, I posted the trading episodes all week this week, so this should be 4 out now. And yeah, super good week, man. It's been a good time, and I'm really just looking forward to getting into the charts, doing some backtesting this weekend. I'm gonna download FX Replay and go crazy on backtesting. Try and come into next week fresh and run it back. Anyways, thank you boys for tuning in. Bit of a boring one today, but I really just am not looking for anything in the charts. Like the only thing that I was potentially looking for was a short off of this, and I mean obviously that's not going to happen. There's no targets above us, so for me, I'd rather go to sleep. I'm freaking exhausted, man. Anyways, peace and love. Thank you both for tuning in. Have a good one. Enjoy the weekend and don't trade tomorrow. It is a bank holiday. Love.